Hi, let's draw the watermelon kid. First, let's sketch it out. When I'm sketching, I like to use very light lines, and I start off with basic shapes. The watermelon, I'm going to start with kind of a triangular prism shape. So it's like a triangle, and then 3D, and then the bottom is going to be a little bit curved. That'll be where the rind is. On the top of the head, I'm going to put another little curve to make it look like he's got a little bit of a chunk taken out of him. And of course, I'm going to add some cartoon shoes and legs and arms, and we'll put a face on him too. We're going to add some ink. Let's do the side of the watermelon. It's going to have a triangle shape, diagonal straight down, and diagonal on the other side. Then the bottom is going to be curved for the rind. Leave room for the arms. Next, we're going to go across with that little space in the middle. That's where we're going to have that little gap, almost like a bite was taken out of him. And then we'll do another diagonal line down, following the same direction as the other one. Then connecting the two with a curved line, just very slight curve. And then we'll do the watermelon rind underneath. We're leaving room for the hands on the side. And then we'll do the eyes. They're ovals, skinny ovals. And then we'll do the mouth, which is a curved smile. And then we're going to make it open with another U shape, and then a curve on the tongue. Then we'll do the arms. It's almost like a triangle shape, but it's open. And then on the bottom of that triangle shape, we have the donut for the gloves, and then some curved lines for the fingers. And then we'll finish off those lines there. For the other arms, the same thing. It's kind of a triangle shape with the donut, and then we'll add a thumb and 3 fingers with oval shapes, and connect it with a curved line to the glove. Now we'll do the legs. The legs are the same kind of triangle shape, wider at the top, skinny at the bottom. Now here we're going to put a half circle, another half circle, and that's for the tongue of the shoe. Then we'll do the shoelaces, and the shoelaces are going to be kind of like just one piece. There's the rest of that shoe. And the other shoe. The shoes are the shape of kind of like a loaf of bread. Then we do a little trim on the bottom for the soles. And here's those laces that I was talking about. 1, 2, 3. And the same on the other side. 1, 2, and that makes 3 shoelaces. Now we'll do the seeds. Seeds are in a little teardrop shape, and you just color those in. Going to do 4 on the sides, and then 4 on the face. I don't want to put too many seeds, because I know you won't be able to tell what his face looks like. And I'm going to put a little bit of an edge there to make it look more 3D. And then we'll start cleaning it up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.